Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group at the Morning Market Stir for Friday, September the 16th. What a week it's been. Another bout of volatility yesterday, a push to the upside. Stock indexes were up 1% across the board. Another session, so 4 out of the last 5, we've seen major market moves of 1% after that stall that we had for many, many months. So the summary yesterday, the dollar index was somewhat steady, 95.30, still holding above the 95 level. Crude oil was up 33 cents, standing at the $44 level. Now we're looking at the October contract. We'll be shifting to November here next week. What's important to keep an eye on is that support at 43. We've got kind of a double bottom here in the last couple weeks. We'll see where it goes. Gold moved lower, down $8 on the session at 13.18 was the close, 13.12 was the low. So some new relative lows there, not getting any respite. We'll talk about the stock indexes here in a moment, but we had the euro currency holding at the 112.40 level. So stocks surged and other markets were somewhat quiet on the day. So after that positive action in stocks, here on Friday morning, we're backing off a bit. We're down 7 points in the S&P, right now down 40 points in the Dow futures, and down 12 in the NASDAQ 100. CPI numbers just came out. They're a bit higher than what was expected. Looking at the numbers here, the actual number was 0.2%, looking for 0.1%, and the core number, excluding food and energy, which is impossible to do, was a little bit higher at 0.3 with 0.2 expected. So that's interesting for the Fed to chew on. Inflation numbers as far as wages actually decrease, so that may balance it out. Looking at the markets right now, we're maintaining lower. Crude oil is the story of the day again, down 1.5%, down 70 cents as we stand at that 43 level. It's important to keep an eye on to see how it responds, and we can hold the support. Like I said, that's a recent low over the past couple weeks. Gold right now, if we look at the board, is down $3 at 13.15, going nowhere fast. And we want to keep an eye on the stock indexes because we have expiration Friday for September happening in stock options today, so that may play into it after all the volatility we've seen. So to summarize where we stand with an hour to go before the cash stock market open, right now stock index futures are down 7 in the S&P. The S&P was positive 20 coming into today for the week, so it's been a good week. The NASDAQ right now is down 12. Again yesterday, the highs of the NASDAQ, with the all-time highs just a week ago Wednesday, the highs yesterday in the session were only 14 points away from the all-time forever record. And right now the Dow futures down 40 after being up about 125 so far in the week coming into today. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.